Hey YouTubers, so today the problem is the HVAC housing. It's not sealing very well up in there where it attaches to the body. So I'm gonna remove it. So it's one nut right here. And it's one nut right here. Ouch. One nut right here. One nut right there. So 10 millimeter long extension. Okay, then you want to kind of tip it upwards so it doesn't fall out. Like that. All right, now right there, got that one. Let's see. So you want to remove your blower motor resistor. It just where did I put it? So it just pops right in there to that little hole. So you just pull it out, disconnect. Let's see, I'm missing one. Oh yeah, right up here. So take your long extension 10 millimeter. Okay. Just like that. So be wary of these wires here for the recirculation door, of course the blower motor resistor, and that's it. So that's the surface that was not sealing. That's the flimsy little gasket. Let's see if I can fix that. Get some better fan action here.